Transport toys in the fuel-efficient 2019 Puma XLE 24FBC travel trailer toy hauler, available now at RV World. This 29-foot 7-inch travel trailer toy hauler has tinted windows and molded fender skirts. Rear stabilizer jacks also help keep the travel trailer toy hauler stable. The garage has a 6-foot ramp door with spring assist and 2 flip-up sofas inside. The living area features 2 swivel chairs and an entertainment center. The kitchen has a sink, a microwave, refrigerator, and an oven with cooktop as well. A skylight in the bathroom illuminates the radius glass door shower. There's also a foot flush toilet and a mirrored medicine cabinet. The master bedroom has a queen-sized bed with a shelf overhead. Shirt closets are located on both sides of the bed. Visit us at RV World and you'll find some of the most popular RV brands at the nation's lowest prices. Find us online at rvworldmi.com or give us a call at 616-965-2250 and let our friendly salespeople help you find the perfect RV.